Hey, how are you today? So I got the camo pattern done for the T-54-1. So we've got the Soviet 1947 general standard camo pattern going on. It's come up pretty good. So just sort of got the masking tape off. And I put those on, they can come off, and put that on of course. But it's come up pretty good. I got it pretty much the same as they put in the instructions. So now we just got to sort of polish this up a bit, you know, maybe add a little bit of dry brushing to the different colours. We've got to seal it together because, you know, they've got different tonalities in the colour. So we've got to bring the tone to it all to match up together. So it's a pretty easy process. So I just sprayed it in brown first, and then you make the shapes with blue tack, put them over. Then I sprayed it with the 6K, I think it is 7K Yellow Earth. And it was by SMS, this one. And then I put down the shapes for the yellow with blue tack. And then I sprayed it with, so first of all I sprayed it with SMS Protective 4BO. Sorry, I've had all my teeth removed, it's hard to talk. That was the first one I sprayed it with. Then I came over the top with Mr. Collar's Russian 4BO. This one's a little bit lighter than SMS's version. And then I just had an old highlight that I found. Old highlight that I must have used for an old Russian tank. And I used that to highlight the green a little bit. You can see that it's a bit lighter there than there and all that kind of stuff. So it looks pretty good. I like it a lot. So it's a very interesting tank. I really like looking at these ones. I want to get more T-54s. And you sort of get the collection, and it's really good that Miniart have done this, like done the different versions, so you can get the first version, the second version, all the different production runs. They've basically done every production run, and then they've gone and done all kinds of T-54s that are involved in the Middle East, you know, all over the place, Africa. Miniart have really done really well with the T-54. They don't have heaps of different models, Miniart, but they do. The ones they do all the really cool variants and shit. So I like Miniart a lot. And you can see their tanks come up looking amazing. Really good. That's his buddy. So that's how it is. We'll get it sealed up and we'll start to detail this a little bit. Alright my friends, I'll speak to you again soon.